Are you ready to explore the fascinating world of the most satisfying machines and ingenious tools? Get ready for pure enjoyment. Sit back, relax, and prepare for an extraordinary viewing experience. The Gabion mesh machine is a robust and efficient tool designed to produce reinforced stone boxes, also known as gabions, for various applications. It handles wire diameters from 2 millimeters to 4 millimeters, working with galvanized, PVC-coated, black annealed, and stainless steel wires. The machine can create mesh sizes of 60 by 80 millimeters, 80 by 100 millimeters, 100 by 120 millimeters, and 120 by 150 millimeters with working widths of up to 5 meters. It operates at a production speed of 50 to 60 strokes per minute and a working speed of 2.7 meters per minute. This machine uses 30 kilowatts of power, and its dimensions are approximately 7,200 millimeters long, 1,400 millimeters wide, and 2,400 millimeters high, weighing around 18.5 tons. Equipped with a wire feeding system, spiral wire coiling unit, and mesh recoiler, it features advanced controllers with speed adjustment and emergency stop systems for safety, making it ideal for use in petroleum, chemical, and construction industries. The Techni WaterJet i7-13G2 is a high-performance machine designed for precise and efficient cutting. Its dimensions are 5,800 millimeters by 3,400 millimeters by 2,100 millimeters, making it substantial yet manageable. The machine weighs 4,100 kilograms when empty and increases to 13,600 kilograms when filled with water. It features a cutting table size of 2,020 millimeters by 4,400 millimeters and a cutting area of 2,100 by 4,100 millimeters, with an accuracy of 0.15 millimeters and a repeatability of 0.05 millimeters. It ensures precise cuts. The machine can reach air and cutting speeds of 17.5 meters per minute and handle materials up to 200 millimeters thick. Equipped with the Quantum NXT WaterJet pump and a PAC 60TM 5-axis cutting head, it ensures efficient energy use and precise 3D cuts. The Darutu plastering machine series makes construction work easier and more efficient. The DM automatic plastering machine works with plaster and mortar sprayers for a smooth finish. It can plaster up to a height of 320 centimeters and a width of 120 centimeters with customizable options available. With a work efficiency of 4 square meters per minute, it operates on 220 volts and is lightweight and compact. The machine features a microcomputer automatic leveling system for precision, patented technology for high efficiency, and an electric brake for quick locking. It's easy to use in tight spaces and can be operated by anyone, even without professional experience. The Gleason 1500G Titan is a top-tier gear grinding machine built for efficiency and precision in handling large cylindrical gears. It can accommodate workpieces up to 1,500 millimeters in diameter and has a profile depth capacity of 100 millimeters. The machine offers an axial travel of 1,600 millimeters, and it weighs approximately 13,600 kilograms when filled with water. Measuring 5,800 by 3,400 by 2,100 millimeters, it maintains high accuracy with a motion tolerance of 0.15 millimeters and a repeatability of 0.05 millimeters. It boasts a maximum airspeed and cutting speed of 17.5 meters per minute. Equipped with a fully automatic tool changer, the Titan 1500G enhances productivity and quality throughout the grinding process, utilizing the OptiGrind TM multi-disc grinding method for optimal performance. This machine is versatile and suitable for both job shops and mass production settings. The hay cutter machine, model ZTO2, is designed to efficiently cut hay, straw, and grass for animal feed. Powered by a 2.2 kilowatt motor, it operates on various voltages and features 8 hardened manganese steel blades. With a cutting length range from 0.39 to 1.57 inches and a working efficiency of 400 to 800 kilograms per hour, it ensures quick and effective processing. The machine is equipped with variable speed gear for safe and stable use and an automatic feeding conveyor to streamline the cutting process. Its compact dimensions make it suitable for different farm settings, providing a reliable solution for feeding livestock. The JQ25-100 expanded metal mesh machine is built for robust and efficient production. It handles materials up to 6 millimeters thick and has a maximum net width of 2,500 millimeters. The machine operates at a punching speed of 70 to 80 punches per minute, with an adjustable feeding distance of 0 to 20 millimeters. It can produce mesh lengths up to 200 millimeters and is powered by an 18.5 kilowatt motor. Weighing about 12 tons, its dimensions are 3,600 by 2,500 by 3,000 millimeters. The machine is suitable for processing low-carbon steel, aluminium, stainless steel, and more, featuring full automatic lubrication and a PLC for precise control. Ideal for manufacturing fencing and construction materials, it supports customization to meet specific production needs. The Aljon 580CL is a high-performance car logger and baler designed for processing large volumes of end-of-life vehicles and other scrap materials efficiently. Measuring 16.25 meters in length and 2.59 meters in width, this machine can handle the heaviest jobs. It weighs 44,225 kilograms with a crane and 42,637 kilograms without. The chamber size is 5.8 meters by 3.1 meters, allowing for efficient processing. It can produce bales with variable lengths, 1.01 meters wide and 0.635 meters high. Powered by a Volvo Tier 4 diesel engine with 215 horsepower, it can process up to 25 tons of scrap metal per hour. Additional features include an onboard computer for monitoring productivity, easy access maintenance points, and optional remote control for enhanced operation. The Bacchus A38 is a self-propelled compost turner engineered for efficient and versatile use in composting and soil remediation. It features a powerful 115 kilowatt, 156 HP engine and can turn up to 1,500 cubic meters per hour. Weighing 8,000 kilograms, it accommodates windrows up to 3.8 meters wide and 1.9 meters high. The panoramic cabin offers excellent visibility and comfort, while the height-adjustable, reversible rotor ensures optimal compost turning. The machine is equipped with Eggersman track control for precise operation and includes a camera package for comprehensive monitoring. Suitable for green waste, bio-waste, and sewage sludge, the A38 also boasts easy access for maintenance and a hydraulic tailgate for efficient material handling. The XMYRS08 tape slitting machine is a high-speed, fully automatic machine perfect for slitting BOP adhesive tapes and other similar materials. It comes in two effective widths, 1,300 millimeters and 1,600 millimeters. The machine has a maximum unwind diameter of 800 millimeters and can slit tapes to a minimum width of 12 millimeters. It supports multiple rewind diameters, including 75 millimeters for 1-inch shafts and up to 300 millimeters for 3-inch shafts with 2 shafts. Operating at speeds up to 260 meters per minute, the machine is powered by a 5 HP motor for the 1,300 millimeters model and a 5.5 HP motor for the 1,600 millimeters model. The fully automatic system features a PLC control for ease of operation, pneumatic braking for precise tension control, and a curved stretch roller to prevent tape wrinkling. With options for auto-labeling and slitting, as well as a noise-reducing hood, the XMY08 is designed for efficiency and precision, making it a top choice for tape manufacturers. The Comarker B4 fiber laser is a versatile and high-performance laser engraver designed for precision and efficiency. It comes in power options of 20 watts, 30 watts, 50 watts, 60 watts, and 100 watts with a wavelength of 1,064 nanometers. The laser's spot size is 0.01 by 0.01 millimeter, allowing for detailed engravings. The work area can be 110 by 110 millimeters with a 110 millimeters lens, or 200 by 200 millimeters with a 200 millimeters lens, and it operates at speeds up to 15,000 millimeters per second. The machine features a semi-automatic motorized Z-axis for easy focus adjustment and supports various file formats. It's suitable for engraving metals, plastics, stone, and leather, making it ideal for applications like jewelry and industrial parts. The Comarker B4's durability and user-friendly controls make it a great choice for both beginners and professionals. The Dynawrap Pro 1400 is a fully automatic high-speed orbital wrapping machine designed for the efficient packaging of various products, including furniture parts, doors, and other bulky items. Standing at 2,650 millimeters high, 2,400 millimeters wide, and 4,000 millimeters long, it weighs 950 kilograms and operates on 400 volts power with a 2.25 kilowatt motor. The machine features a 1,400 millimeter ring diameter and a maximum rotation speed of 80 RPM. It is fully automated with PLC control and includes top presses, a cutting and clamping unit, and motorized in-feed and out-feed conveyors. The adjustable conveyor system has a height of 850 millimeters, 3,000 millimeters lengths for in-feed and out-feed, and a width of 1,200 millimeters capable of handling loads up to 1,000 kilograms per meter. This versatile machine uses film with thicknesses ranging from 17 to 35 microns and is ideal for high-volume operations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of high-performance machining.